Hello everyone, good morning. Yes, it is morning and cloudy day out here in the coast. We cannot see Castle Point or Cape Turn again. It's all blocked by cloud and fog. So for today we'll just do some baking, and I will be making a banana apple cake. So let's go do it. For those of you who haven't subscribed yet, please click that subscribe button. And for what do we have here, our apple banana cake, we will need 2 bananas, very ripe, and 3 apples. The bananas we will mash, and then the apples we will peel, remove the core, and grate. And then we'll also need a teaspoon of vanilla, a teaspoon of salt, about 50 grams of butter. I have here half a cup of walnuts. We will crush this, and then we'll need a couple of eggs, 2 cups of brown sugar. I'm using brown sugar, but you can use white sugar if you guys want. I just like the taste of brown sugar. We'll also need a couple of teaspoons of cinnamon and 2 teaspoons of baking soda and 2 cups of flour. So we'll just mix these ingredients and put them in a pan. Okay, so let's go do it. Okay, so I'll just mash this. All right, so that's done. Now my husband will peel and shred the apples. All right, so we have our grated apple. We'll just combine this with all the other ingredients one by one. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so we'll put with our apple, we'll put the mashed bananas. And then the 2 eggs. And then the teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, so that's all our wet ingredients. Now for the dry ingredients, 2 cups of brown sugar. So we'll add 1 cup of brown sugar and another cup of brown sugar. So that's 2 cups. We'll also add a teaspoon of salt. Just and 2 teaspoons of baking soda. And then 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And after that, we'll then add the half a cup of walnut, which I've already crushed. So depending on how you guys want crunch on your apple banana cake, then that's how fine you can crush these walnuts. Besides walnuts, you can also use pecan nuts. And then once we've mixed this a bit, then we'll add in our 2 cups of flour. You can sift, or you can, I'm not very particular with sifting flours, but it can help. But easier to just dump it there. So this is the 2nd cup. Just make sure to mix it properly so there are no clumps. Okay, after we've mixed this, then we can put it in our pan. Okay, easy enough to mix it all by hand. Let's not forget our 50 grams of butter. I've melted it, so I can just mix it all in. So our pans don't need any greasing. There's enough grease to go. Okay, so after we've mixed this with the butter, we'll just pour it in the pan. Alright, so they're in the pan, and no worries about the size of the pan. Just make sure there's enough space for it to expand a bit. And then we have our oven ready at 175 degrees centigrade. We'll put it in on top. I have chicken in the oven. But I'm roasting it. We'll time the apple banana cake for 60 minutes. We'll set the timer for 60 minutes and check it. Make sure that it's all ready by our toothpick test. Okay. It's been 21 minutes for our cake, and let's have a look. Okay, they have expanded, and we'll try the toothpick test. Okay, so how our toothpick test will go, just grab a toothpick and poke in. Okay. As long as there's nothing sticking to the toothpick, that's a good sign that it's all cooked. But it's still a bit soft. What about this one? Okay, so it's cooking quite good. Nothing is sticking. Let's see this one. Yeah, there's a bit here and I poke on the cracked. So this one is not yet ready. We'll just see, this is few bits sticking to the toothpick, so we'll just put it back. In a few more minutes we'll check again. So there's still, in our timer, there's still 36 minutes to go. We'll check again after 25 minutes. Okay, so 25 minutes and we'll do our toothpick test again. Looks like it's all done. Yeah, it's good. Okay, it's all done. All right, so we know that our apple banana cake is ready. We'll just cool it in a rack. Okay, alrighty, it's done. So we'll cool it in racks so that in a few minutes it will be ready for serving. You can also serve it hot with ice cream. But yeah, if you like this recipe, please try it and let me know how it goes. And please don't forget to click that like button. Thank you for watching. Until next time. All right.
Okay.
Try it first and see. The good thing about banana apple cake is it's so moist. How is it?
Very nice.
Guys, try it and see for yourself. Have a taste for yourself.